All right, now we're moving on to the hydro. This is getting a Force America kit, which is basically an all-inclusive electric over hydraulic. So you'll have a small electronic unit up in the cab. Everything's controlled out here. No hydro through the cab. So we're gonna go ahead and run all the hydro, all the hoses, hook it all up, get everything ready before we drop a bed on. So yeah, let's get into it. First off, I need to mount this. So I'm gonna make some spacers and get this thing mounted up. All right, got our spacers in. She's mounted pretty solid. Now we're gonna go ahead and run the wire and get it wired in. All right, here's a little tip for you. To get through that grommet on the passenger side firewall, to run your upfitter, put a piece of welding wire in a drill and it'll poke right through. It'll poke right through that and you can fish it on down in. Hook your PTO wire to your upfitter and then lube it and it'll pop right through that, just like this. There we are, all connected. Now I'm gonna go pull it through. I just put a little bit of nozzle gel on it for lube. And then you just pull it through. Bingo bango, Bob's your uncle. Now we're gonna connect all our stuff to the truck harness. This is the upfitter pack from the truck. And then you're just gonna take your little destruction booklet, pick your one that you're gonna do, match your wires up, hook them up, and yeah, again, Bob's your uncle. All right, there we go. We're all connected, grounded. I went ahead to the main ground stud right there. Gonna tuck all this up, button it up, and move along. Next in the lineup is the controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it to the headrest. We do quite a few truck mods where we delete the center console, and I have a few of these headrests laying around. So let's mod this. There we go. Took all the padding off, tacked on a little piece of stainless, and then put the ram mount on it. And then snap that in. Nice. So I got a little bit of a time crunch. Had a whole bunch of projects pop up that I had to take care of, and I got a little bit behind the eight ball. So I knocked a bunch of stuff out. I got all the plumbing done, all the wiring done, and you can see here that I went ahead and mounted it, ran the wires through the console, out the back, and let me turn the light on, out the back and down through the floor, all wired up and happy. Went ahead and got all my spreaders done, auger side, spinner side. We like to bring them out the side because it tucks them up out of the way, but they're still easy to get to snap in and out, but they don't get damaged in the summertime. Ran all my lines, everything functions, and yeah, ran out of time. Done!